Welcome, panelists, judges, and the judging members for judging my project. My name is Tanya Kumari. I am from Birla Institute of Technology, Mesha Raji. I am currently in third year pursuing specialization of mechanical engineering. I am here to explain my project or the impact of material processing on the environment. What is material processing? Material processing is defined as the operations which are used for the production of finished goods from the raw material. It usually involves various mechanical, physical, or the chemical process for the production, and the material is produced in bulk or the batches so that the requirement can be. There are various processes involved in material processing, which includes casting, powder processing, bulk deformation processing, etc. Mining of the ore, separation, reductions, and many more. There are very harmful effects on the environment as poisonous gas accumulate in the environment. Dust particles generate of waste pollutants is accumulated, and a non-ferrous steel foundries may generate a zinc, cadmium, and other metals present in the waste. There is a cupola furnace which is produces more air pollution than the induction furnace, but still it is being used because it is less cost efficient and its efficiency is high. We are all familiar with the Chernobyl incident which took place in 1986, the biggest mishap which could ever occur in human race. It not only hampers the surroundings, but that effect can be seen from the entire Russia or the USSR being affected by some radiation pollution in the atmosphere. Hazardous air pollutants included gases which are generated when molds containing carbon materials are also been subjected to high temperatures. Then cast metals also produces very toxic effect on the environment. They are the purest form of the carbons which are released during the casting processes, and it is not at all good for the environment. Mining of the raw materials has also various drawbacks: physical distribution of land, soil, water, and air being contaminated, public safety is at risk, disturbance of the ecosystem and the habitat, a disbalance occurred between the surrounding nature and the environment. But foremost all that, the most risk are the workers who are working there. It has been seen that 99% there is a chances that the person working in some mining industry or some chemical industries using heavy metals suffer from the cancer later or earlier in their life. So, what should we do? What should we do? We should take some preventive measures so that there should be a safe disposal of the waste. The waste can be reused, and it can be regenerated and can be environment friendly. There are processes such as hot treatment of waste, reclaiming the waste, breaking of the waste product down. These steps are the various preventive measures. But there is also an environmental management system is established which does the planning, acting, checking, and doing part. They plan, they act, and they keep a regular check on the control of the environment establishment. But not only the check or the boards or the committees will help, the technologies is also doing a great work in helping the environment to be green friendly and developing products which are eco friendly. They're using technologies such as water characterization, modeling, waste utilization, waste reduction process, and many more. Teaching the industries how the safe disposal should be done, and many more steps are always prevailing everywhere around the world. Everyone is conscious about the safety. My idea was I have encountered a problem and an easy solution for it. Steel industry generates a huge amount of steel slag which consists of nickel, cadmium, chromium, and strontium. Why not convert this steel slag into green cement by the action of alkalis or the green actions on it and produce a green cement?